guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my second family roleplay. It's been a little while. I have a week off school, so I thought, why not make a roleplay video? Anyway, today is just like any other. We're just at home, the kids are already done with school, and I'm just making snacks for them right now. Sophia specifically asked for strawberries. I'm not sure why. So let's chop those strawberries. These are for Sophia, I guess. I think there are still some other snacks in the pantry. I'm just gonna go check that out. What was that? What was what? You weren't watching TV, were you? I was. Did you see that? See what? The elevator. It just moved. It's windy. What do you expect? No, but it was like slowly, like there's something inside. You're being dramatic. Sophia, I swear, there's something inside of there. Nothing's out there. Stop trying to scare me. Wait, what if it's a ghost? Ghosts aren't real. And even if they were, why would they be inside of our house? I don't know, but I saw it. You just want to say I told you so when you see the lights flicker. See, it's just a storm. It's not like the ghost is gonna turn off the power or something. Okay, that was not funny. I did not do that. You're not pranking me? How on earth would I turn every single light inside of the house on when I was right next to you? Ah! Did you forget to pay the electricity bill or something? No, I actually paid for it last week. Why'd the lights turn off? It's probably just a storm. Are we gonna die here? I don't wanna die this young. I'm sorry for everything. Like that one time I put slime in your ear and you had to go completely bald. I'm sorry for blaming you for the things I did when you were completely innocent. Yeah, you should be. This is not the time for joking. This is a serious matter. Ghost, what do you want from me? I want your soul. Let's get out of here. Yeah. There's a ghost in the elevator. What? There's a ghost in the elevator. You guys seriously still believe in ghosts at your age? Grow up. No, but it said. Let's not talk about ghosts. It's not that I'm scared or anything. Yeah, no, never mind. What was that? Oh, I don't know. I thought you didn't believe in ghosts. Or do you? Are you scared? Yeah, no duh that I'm scared, but that doesn't mean that I'm afraid of ghosts or anything. Oh, so you do believe they exist, but just aren't scared of them? That's not what I said. Okay, prove it then. Go check what that noise was. I am not doing that. See? Admit it. You're a little scaredy cat. You can't make me. This is a little scary. I admit. What is that? It's just you, Willow. I forgot you were out here. Come on, let's go. You guys, it was just Willow. Okay, that's actually such a relief. Yeah, I knew that Willow was there. I just didn't tell you, so you'd be scared. Gee, you're such a bad liar. Shut up! Don't say that to your sister. Fine, sorry. Anyway, I'm going to look for some snacks since I know you guys are a little hungry. I brought some snacks. Yay, snacks! Oh, thank God, I was so hungry. Wait, if Willow's right here, then who was an elevator then? You guys don't mind if I take a few, do you? Wait, was that a nightmare? Wait, why do I have these cheese puffs in my hand?